In the heart of a lush, verdant meadow, a unique structure stood tall. A bee hotel, built by a wise old owl, for the hardworking bees to call. The bees, they were a busy bunch, working day and night, constructing their homes under the watchful owl's light. One bee, named Bumble, was always at the fore, with a heart full of determination and a spirit to explore. He knew the meadow well, but felt a certain void, a longing for a change, a new burden to foil. One day, he noticed a patch of flowers, wilted and sad, a sight that stirred him, and he felt a pang of dread. Something must be done, he declared, with a heart full of resolve. To bring life back to these flowers, I'll find a way to solve. He shared his idea with the other bees, and they all agreed that life in the meadow was something they all needed to lead. So, they worked together, day and night, with the owl's guidance clear, building bee hotels, and spreading flowers far and near. The meadow soon bloomed, with colors bright and bold, a sight to behold, a scene that made their hearts unfold. The flowers thrived, and the bees, they sang in joy. Their hard work had paid off, and they couldn't contain their joy. The moral of this tale, for all to understand, is that unity and hard work can help to make the land a better place for all, with life and love to spread. And in every task we take, a lesson we can tread. So, let's build bee hotels, and help our world to grow. For every small step can lead to a brighter tomorrow we sow.